The best day trading books are essential resources for both beginners and experienced traders. And this list highlights several notable publications. A key book to consider is one that provides a comprehensive introduction to day trading, covering the basics, including a brief history of Wall Street and the factors to consider when day trading. This particular book delves into fundamental concepts such as market dynamics, technical analysis, and risk management, allowing readers to interpret stock charts, identify trends, and utilize technical indicators to make informed decisions. It also emphasizes the importance of developing a personalized trading plan tailored to individual risk tolerance and goals, as well as the need for emotional discipline to manage emotions like greed. Additionally, the book introduces various day trading strategies, including momentum trading and breakout trading, encouraging readers to learn and adapt to market conditions. Another valuable book provides a concise guide to day trading, covering market mechanics, charting, and technical analysis. It also highlights the critical aspects of risk management and developing a personalized trading plan, while analyzing the psychological aspects of trading and discussing common pitfalls. Practical advice is offered on selecting a brokerage firm, establishing a trading routine, and the importance of tracking progress through journaling and performance analysis. The significance of ongoing education and improvement in the world of day trading is also stressed. For those seeking to understand market dynamics, a comprehensive guide to trading strategies and techniques is available. This book explores market dynamics and technical analysis essentials, followed by a discussion on various trading strategies and risk management principles. The psychology of trading is also emphasized, with a focus on maintaining discipline and managing emotions. The importance of reviewing and analyzing past trades to refine strategies and adapt to changing market conditions is highlighted, making it a valuable resource for traders seeking to enhance their skills. After considering these books, the top pick is the one that emphasizes the basics of day trading, making it a resource